Today I'd like to do a quick video about Onpassive for those individuals that are coming in for the first time and looking at Onpassive. I'm Mike Ellis. This is going to be a rapid fire video. It will be Onpassive in a nutshell, and I believe it'll give you a good base to understand how Onpassive can build wealth for you. And that's why we're all here. We're all trying to build wealth. So let's get started. Onpassive is an AI IT company, artificial intelligence informational technology company. It was developed by a gentleman named Ash Mufareh. He is the brain trust behind Onpassive, and what Onpassive is doing today is revolutionary. They have never been done online before. Onpassive has a lot of moving parts, but Ash Mufareh has made it very simple for those individuals that want to come in and participate and start a business with Onpassive. I'm going to go over several concepts, and as you look at these concepts, what it does, it makes our business 100% automated. So let's get started with the first concept. The first concept, as you come in, it is a self-funding program. What does that mean? All it means is you'll go out of pocket once, you'll never have to go out of pocket again. That is truly unique in the industry. I've never seen that before. Most companies, as you come in and start a business with them, you will pay month after month after month. They will suck you dry. That is not Onpassive. You will pay once, you will never go out of pocket again. The next one is extraordinary. As you come in and you start your business with Onpassive, they are going to force you to be successful. What does that mean? They're going to force you to make money. Not only are they going to force you to make money, they guarantee as you come in, you will make money. This is how we're going to develop wealth. No one has ever had an argument against it. Everybody loves it. This concept, people just are giddy over. The next concept is just as important. It's the traffic side of Onpassive. And as we look at Onpassive, how are we going to grow our business? Onpassive is going to drive traffic for us. And about 6 months ago, to give you an idea of the kind of traffic they're going to be driving for us, they turned on their traffic sources. They just cranked them up, and their goal was to bring in 1 million opt-ins. They did not put a time frame on it. Could be 3 months, 6 months, a year. Didn't put a time frame on it. In 4 days, Onpassive brought in 1 million opt-ins. I've been online for 15 years. This is what I do. That is extraordinary. And when Onpassive did that, they did not use the AI technology they have today. When you combine the AI technology with the traffic, I believe instead of 4 days to bring in 1 million opt-ins, they can do it in 2 days, or 1 day, or 12 hours. This is so extraordinary, and when you think about the traffic, think about volume, because it's very, very important for us, because as Onpassive builds our business for us, it's the traffic, it's the customers that land underneath us based off of their traffic that we get paid from, and they will be coming in by the tens of millions. This is some really, really cool stuff because it gives us a way forward to build that wealth. The last thing is the customer side and the product side of Onpassive. The customer side, I believe that they will come in and they will never leave Onpassive. Why? Because the products of Onpassive, they're built from the ground up, they're proprietary, they are cutting edge technology, brand new. You've never seen the technology that Onpassive is developing today. And Ash has a team of technicians in India, about 800 strong. They develop all the tools of Onpassive. So as customers come in, they're going to love the products because they're superior and they're at a lower price point. And our customers, again, they could be from K through 12 colleges, small, medium, large size businesses. They could be governments, personal use. Our market today is about 5.6 billion people. And when we look at that market and the quality of the products of Onpassive, that's why they're going to be coming in by the millions, by the tens of millions. Products of Onpassive, very, very quickly. And there's a whole gambit of them. All the products of Onpassive picks niches that are billion-dollar niches. In other words, they could be a standalone billion-dollar company. Anywhere from an automated marketing platform that has all the tools we use to market online. It could be O Academy, which is an educational platform that educators can come on and use. Could be HR, human resources, that companies can come in, use this product and take care of their whole HR department. The products of Onpassive today, there are about 50 of them. And again, the majority of them, billion-dollar niches. When you look at these niches, there will be tens of millions of people coming in to Onpassive because of the quality of the product, because it's at a lower price point, and it just makes people's lives easier. This is Onpassive. When you look at these 4 concepts, as you come in, It is self-funding, forced to be successful, traffic, customer, and product. It makes this platform a totally 100% automated business for you. Onpassive has done this on purpose. Ash's goal as he built Onpassive was to give us a way, the individuals that come online and haven't been able to make any money, a way to come online and actually start building wealth today. Today it is a reality. We are launching in the next month or so. Onpassive is the real deal. Continue to explore Onpassive. Onpassive was made for you and I to take care of that bottom line, to build wealth, to build residual walk-away money. And as you continue to explore Onpassive, you are going to see it just gets better and better and better. I hope this helps set that foundation, gives you a way forward to understand what Ash and his team is doing. It will change your life. It will change your financial future. And bottom line, you're going to be able to build wealth, perhaps for the first time. That's it for today, guys. Have a great week, and we'll absolutely see you at the top. Bye.